Hi there again, everyone. Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today, I have another Dollar Tree haul for you all. And this time, I purchased them online, and these items I couldn't find anywhere in the Dollar Tree that I often go to, including the two in my town as well as two in the other nearby towns. They weren't available, and I needed them for my upcoming projects. This is the first time I'm utilizing this service, and I can say to you already that I give them 2 thumbs up. Okay, at least with my first experience, it has been amazing. Now, anyway, before I do my unboxing, I just want to mention also that this is a sponsored video by FlexiSpot. So this is just a quick review, guys, and let me just tell you, this product has been amazing because oftentimes I've been standing on my feet for too long, especially when I'm doing my DIYs. While I'm filming my DIYs, or even right now doing my haul, I'm standing. And if I stand for a long time, my feet hurt. If I use this machine, it will give me an relaxing experience. I feel like there is really someone touching your feet. I don't know. It's not a weird sensation or feeling, but it's really relaxing, and it really does its job. I've tried it for over a week, and it has been great. My daughter likes it too because she's always on her feet as well, and it relaxes her. She uses it for, let's say, 15 minutes at a time, and whenever she gets her break, and when she comes home, and when she's tired because she's been walking, when she comes home, she can use it, and then she can have her foot massage after a long day. With or without socks, it's great, but without socks, it's even better. It comes with its manual, a user manual, and it's pretty straightforward. You plug and play. You plug in, you use it, and of course, if you still want to read some information, it's here. And I like the fact that you can actually wrap around the cord underneath so that when you're done using, it's not going to be in the way. Now my daughter is using...
It's better with barefoot.
It's better with barefoot, she said, rather than socks. I will link in the description box below the Amazon link. I will not get paid any commission or affiliate fee on this one. I get the product for free in exchange for my honest observation and review. Okay, so let's get on now with my unboxing. Now, I have been looking for these items since they came out. And I have 3 boxes. They're like small, medium, and large. This is the largest, so I'm going to start with this. And these are the items that I've been looking for. Pretty and Flawed. I don't know if you watch her, if you're familiar with her channel. If you're not, I would suggest go to her channel and subscribe to her if you want to see what's the latest on the stores. Now, I saw her showed this at her store, but I went to all the stores nearby and I couldn't find them, and it's possible that they were getting sold out. So let me just show you. For $1 for this item, it's really amazing. Let me just remove them from the box. There we go. I couldn't believe it when I saw her feature this, and I couldn't believe that it cost only $1. Just $1. And I just want to measure this because sometimes you can't really tell on the screen how big an item is. This one measures around 5 inches tall, and the width is maybe 6 inches, So it is a great size, especially if you are organizing your items, smaller items, not the bigger ones, of course. And then this one, they're all made of metal, by the way, not plastic. These are metal in gold, and you can spray paint it any color you want. I don't mind the gold color, to be honest, so I will be using this as is. Save me some paint. So this one is 8 inches, and of course it's tapered, so from the top I'm measuring it 8 inches wide, the mouth. So in the middle it's around 7.5, and then it's 4 inches tall. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm going to be making another DIY for you guys. I know that a lot of you have subscribed to my channel after you watch my Dollar Tree DIY organizers. So I'm going to be making organizers out of these items. This is an example if you don't have to buy 24 or a dozen or more items or per unit. This one you can buy a minimum of 1 unit, which is 4 pieces in 1 unit. So this is just perfect, you know, 4 round ones and 4 rectangular ones. So this is a total of $8. Well, I've seen this last year, but I only saw one and it was chipped at the store nearby. So I figured, okay, I'll order it online. And when I looked online, the minimum items in the unit that it was available at the time when I looked at it was 24, and there's no way I would need 24 pieces. But this time they were offering it for a minimum 1 unit for these items too, just like this other ones here. So I ordered this. This is like the wooden look. It's plastic, but it looks like wood. I'm doing a lot of farmhouse projects, and I really wanted to buy this, especially now that it's fall. I like to set up our table. I have this in silver as well as in gold, but I want to use this that looks like wood, okay, to bring that farmhouse look. And I was thinking about buying 8 at first, but you know, we only needed 4, to be honest. So I'm just going to use 4 of them for our place settings for Thanksgiving. Now let me go to my medium box, and this is the one that came in a minimum of 12 in a pack, but I really needed a lot. That's why I'm okay purchasing them. And I haven't seen this at my store, okay? So I've looked, and I know if they're available at my store, I wouldn't be able to get a dozen of them. Actually need probably 8 to a dozen, so I was okay purchasing them with their minimum of a dozen. So these are the, you know, I would say it's not really wood, but the faux wood or particle board sign. What I like about this one is, sorry about the glare, if you notice, it doesn't have those triangular support. Okay, so this comes like this already. You don't have to, if you want to make a tray, you don't have to remove those triangular support to kind of reinforce the frame and strengthen it. I really didn't need them in one of my projects, which I'm going to be inserting in the upper right hand corner. I had to remove them to create this sort of organizer slash display stand that you can flip-flop, do a reversible, and I used wooden rulers as well to put them all together. So I'm going to be inserting a photo here as well as the video iCard so that you can watch it, and I'm going to be linking it in the description box below as well in case you want to watch the DIY on that. So I purchased this, and I'm going to be making an organizer made of this, so I can make probably that organizer that I'm thinking about plus another organizer. So 2 organizers will come out of this set. If you want to see the design, let me just show you a little bit of it. There's Rise and Shine. I don't think anything repeated, okay? Home is where our family gathers. I like this. I may not use this right away because this one can go into our home as is. Decorate your day with love. Home is where I hang this sign. Cute. And then Wild and Free. Okay, this is more boho style. This one is Celebrate Everything. Okay. Good things are coming. Our nest is best. I like this also as is. So I'm going to be choosing those that I really like and set them aside first before I build my DIY in case I like to hang them as is. The best things in life aren't things. So I like this saying. I do have a wall decal with that kind of saying as well. And then this one here, Enjoy Simple Pleasures. This is really nice. I like blue a lot, so this is really nice as well. It's the little things in life. That's cute. But I'll probably use that for my DIY. And then this one looks like it's a shiplap. Blessed and Thankful. As far as measurement, I think this is 8 by 10 if I'm not mistaken. It is an 8 by 10. Wood Plaque. And my last box, I was actually very surprised when I found this as well. I've been looking for some napkins at my Dollar Tree because I like to do some decoupage projects. I've been contemplating making a lot of decoupage projects using napkins, but sometimes when you go to different stores, they're really expensive. And even at Amazon, when I tried to look for some of the designs, they're pretty, but they're so expensive. And look, Dollar Tree sells this. What? Oh no. Oh. So here you go. There's a mistake here. This is not the design I chose. The design I chose, I'm going to be inserting a photo here if I can still find it. The design I chose has butterflies on them. And I'm going to go look for it, and I'm going to go ahead and refund this. Oh, I was so excited, but then actually I went ahead and called their customer service. They're open 24/7, so I complained that same night, and they were able to accommodate me. They did apologize, and they said that there was a mistake, or possibly that they were already doing a substitution on the product, and because sometimes they couldn't tell what design it would be. Anyway, the lady was so helpful. She was able to find me another box, so it'll be arriving at the store again probably another week, and I'm okay with that. I wasn't in a rush or anything like that, but just to let you know, nothing is perfect, but at least the customer service was great. They treated me well. I mean, the lady who I spoke to was very cordial, very professional. So overall, my rating for the online ordering, I still maintain a 2 thumbs up because of the experience afterwards. I mean, nobody's perfect, not even you and I, right? Especially me, moi. Okay, so I understand mistakes like this do happen, and I was really very satisfied from the time that I got my order. Also, I didn't have to wait that long, and the cashier or the lady working at our Dollar Tree went into the storage or to the back room. She went into the back room and she was able to get my order really quick. Again, overall, the experience was awesome, and I'm going to do it again. And by the way, in regards to handling, I did pay $1.80 for the handling, which isn't too bad, because if I had to search for so many Dollar Trees in the area with gas and my time, I'd rather pay the $1.80 of handling. And since I wasn't in a rush to get them, the free drop shipping was amazing. It's a free service. It takes about 7 business days. They count Mondays through Friday, and to 10 days, I believe. So yeah, so my replacement will come around a week. Thanks everyone. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell icon so that you will not miss my upcoming DIYs. Talk to you again on my next video. Bye bye.